Hey everyone, if you're interested in playing PC games on your phone, tablet, or another display, you've likely come across Moonlight and Steam Link. Both allow you to stream games from your computer, but they operate a bit differently. Steam Link is developed by Valve Steam. It's very straightforward if your games are already in your Steam library. Just install the app, connect to your PC, and you can start playing on your mobile device or TV. The setup is quick, and controller layouts are pre-configured for most titles. It's an excellent choice if you primarily play games through Steam. Moonlight, on the other hand, uses NVIDIA's streaming technology to broadcast your entire desktop or any application, not just Steam games. This makes it really useful if you also play titles from other launchers like Epic Game Store or Battle.net. Moonlight is also known for its very low latency, delivering a smooth, responsive experience that can feel almost like you're playing directly on your PC. So, to sum up, Steam Link is ideal for Steam users who want a simple, integrated setup, while Moonlight offers more flexibility across different game platforms and generally delivers faster, smoother performance. Both tools are great, it just depends on what you need.